Hello, welcome to my channel. On today we are dive into the Keukenhof in Holland to Monet's historic home gardens. In Giverny and Singapore Botanic Gardens. Flower gardens are a sight to behold for all nature lovers. Within this research, we've delved into the allure of the world's most enchanting gardens, utilizing TikTok, Instagram, TripAdvisor, and Google search data to discover which famous garden should be at the top of every traveler's bucket list. 1. Longwood Gardens, Pennsylvania, United States. Overall score, 6.86. The stunning Longwood Gardens is crowned the prettiest garden in the world, scoring 6.86 out of 10. It's a botanical garden comprising over 1,077 acres of gardens, woodlands, and meadows in the United States. Sitting just outside of Philadelphia, Longwood Gardens is an accessible source of beauty, with over 10,000 species and varieties of plants to explore. Guests can explore the lush, formal gardens, open meadows, and winding paths to breathtaking Brandywine Valley vistas. Longwood Gardens proudly holds a 5-star review rating, and 19% of reviewers describe it as beautiful. The winning gardens also had among the highest volumes of posts on social media, 307,185 Instagram posts and 6,096 TikTok tag mentions, as well as a 22.2% increase in searches over the last 2 years. 2. Shinjuku-gyo-en, Tokyo, Japan. Overall score, 6.83. Shinjuku-gyo-en is one of Tokyo's most famous gardens, and the second prettiest flower garden in the world, with a score of 6.83 out of 10. Visitors love to share snapshots of the beautiful scenes, with 713,595 posts on Instagram and 4,550 TikTok tags, showing off the cherry blossoms in spring and the fields that turn into sprawling sheets of silk in the winter. This garden offers tranquility in the midst of one of the world's busiest urban cities. There are 3 different sections to explore. First, the Japanese landscape garden has large ponds dotted with islands and bridges, followed by the English garden, with open lawns and cherry trees, and lastly, the symmetrical French garden. The park isn't an expensive activity to add to your Japan itinerary either, with admission priced at just £2.61. 3. Pukura Park, New Plymouth, New Zealand. Overall score, 6.69. Pukura Park is in the heart of New Plymouth, in New Zealand, and is a must for anyone wanting to visit one of the world's prettiest gardens. It scored 6.69 out of 10 and has an average TripAdvisor score of a perfect 5. 30% of these reviews even mention the word beautiful. Walking through this garden, you'll be met with plenty to do. There are 2 lakes with rowboats you can rent during the summer, fountains, and even a waterfall, as well as a tea house, playgrounds, and cricket grounds across the acres. 4. Kenroku-en, Kanazawa, Japan. Overall score, 6.58. Another Japanese entry is Kenroku-en, in 4th place with an overall score of 6.58. There are over 496,232 Instagram posts of the garden, and one of the main attractions is the large artificial pond, called Keisumageike, surrounded by stunning plum and cherry blossoms, perfect for a picture. This garden is